Welcome. Now we are going to discuss management information system, that is tax. Let us assume a company is having their branches in the following cities and they have to maintain branch wise details. Let the branches are in Hyderabad, Delhi, Chennai. Then how to do this in focus now we are going to discuss. The sequence followed in the presentation is renaming a tag, relogin, creating a tag master, activating tag through voucher wizard, entering transactions using a tag, including a tag column in a report, filtering using a tag, setting default tag settings. By default, 8 tags are available in Focus 6RT. So if you want to rename any of the existing tag, then we use this. So let us assume we require a tag for the branch. So to record the branch wise details. So that can be renamed through this. After renaming, once relogin is required. Otherwise, without relogin, the name will not be changed in the Create Masters submenu. So after relogin, you will find the name changed in this Create Masters submenu as branch. What are the branches available? Those branches can be created through this branch master. So here, let us assume we have a branch called Hyderabad, Delhi, Chennai. So in a sales invoice voucher, to get the tag list, we have to activate through this. So sales invoice, we want the branch in a header. Now at the time of sales entry, user have to select branch also from the drop down. So here let us record one transaction. We sold some goods to customer A. This is from Hyderabad branch. In this way we can select the branch. Later on, if they want to view the reports, for that they are using sales register, or they can use summary sales book. So there, after selecting a sales account, here it is showing the sales of all branches. If we require a branch name column, then we use this customize and include the branch name. That will be available in this branch submenu. So here a branch name column is included. Drag and drop wherever you want. So if you want to rename this, so the branch name is appearing in this column. So here it is showing the data of all branches. If anyone wants to view the data of only one particular branch, then they use this filter report. Here select the branch. Say let us assume we want to view the details of only Hyderabad. That is possible through this filter option. So as per the requirement, they can filter. So by default, 90% of our transactions will be from Hyderabad branch. So in such cases, in a sales invoice or purchase voucher, by default, Hyderabad must be loaded. So for that, we have this option called set default to. So when we choose Hyderabad over here, so now in a sales invoice, by default, Hyderabad is loaded. Why means in place of set default to, we have selected as a Hyderabad. So if user wants to change, he can change over here. By default, it will be loaded as a Hyderabad. Next is we have this default tag settings. So out of this 8 available tags, which tag we are using for accounting purpose, which tag we are using for inventory purpose, so that we have to specify. So some of them, they may require their profit and loss statement, balance sheet, branch wise. In such cases, we can change this as a branch. So for inventory, we require warehouse. So for payroll, so as per the requirement, we can change the tag. Budgets. To understand this, so let us see. So here for selling rates, the tag is department. So we have a option that warehouse wise we can set the selling rates. So for that we have to choose this option, warehouse wise selling rate. Though we have selected warehouse here, so in a product master it is showing as a department. So it's not showing warehouse over here, it's showing the department names over here, because here for selling rates the tag used is department. If we change this as a warehouse, now in a product master you will find warehouse names. So earlier it was department, now it is changed as a warehouse. So which tag we are using for which purpose, that we have to specify here.